This seed has more protein than eggs. Backed by science. What if your daily eggs aren't the best protein choice anymore? And what if a tiny seed, backed by real science, could give you more protein, better digestion, and stronger energy after 50? Let's break it down. Eggs are often called a complete protein. And that's true. But research shows that not all protein sources affect the body the same way, especially as we age. As digestion slows down after 50, many people experience reduced enzyme production, increased sensitivity to animal proteins, slower protein absorption. Before we go further, comment below your age and where you're watching from. This is where hemp seeds stand out. Protein plus digestibility. 3 tablespoons of hemp seeds provide around 10 grams of protein. A single egg provides about 6 to 7 grams. But here's the key difference. According to research published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, hemp protein contains idestin and albumin, 2 highly digestible proteins. Idestin, in particular, is structurally similar to proteins found in human blood, which makes it easier for your body to break down and absorb compared to many animal proteins. This means your body can use more of the protein you eat, instead of wasting it. Heart and cholesterol. Eggs contain dietary cholesterol. Now, while cholesterol affects people differently, studies published by the American Heart Association suggest that some individuals, especially older adults, may need to monitor intake. Hemp seeds, on the other hand, contain 0 cholesterol and are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. Research shows omega-3s help reduce inflammation, support cardiovascular health, improve blood vessel function. This makes hemp seeds especially valuable for people over 50. Gut health and fiber advantage. Here's something eggs don't have at all: fiber. Hemp seeds contain both soluble and insoluble fiber. According to studies in the World Journal of Gastroenterology, dietary fiber acts as a prebiotic, feeding beneficial gut bacteria. A healthier gut microbiome is linked to better digestion, improved nutrient absorption, stronger immune response, even reduced inflammation. So while eggs provide protein, hemp seeds support your entire digestive system. Mineral density. Hemp seeds are also loaded with essential minerals. Research from the USDA Food Data Central confirms they are rich in magnesium, supports muscle and nerve function. Iron helps oxygen transport in the blood. Zinc boosts immune health. Potassium supports heart rhythm and fluid balance. These nutrients are critical as the body ages, especially for maintaining strength, mobility, and energy. How to use hemp seeds correctly. To get the benefits, you need to use them properly. Start with 1 teaspoon per day. Gradually increase to up to 3 tablespoons daily. Choose hemp hearts, the shelled seeds, because they are easier to digest. Avoid roasting them at high temperatures, because heat can damage their delicate omega fats. Best time plus results. The best time to take hemp seeds is in the morning. Adding them to your breakfast helps stabilize blood sugar and energy levels throughout the day. Within about 7 days of consistent use, many people report reduced sugar cravings, improved digestion, less bloating, more sustained energy. These changes are linked to better nutrient absorption and balanced gut bacteria. Eggs are still a good protein source, but they're not always the best choice for everyone, especially after 50. Sometimes the smallest dietary shift creates the biggest impact. If you're ready to try this, comment hemp power below. And subscribe for more science-backed health tips to stay strong, active, and energized after 50.